In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template button in Notion. Quick and easy for beginners. Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wished you could add a pre-made set of blocks with a single click, this is for you. A template button saves time by instantly inserting content you repeat often, like task checklists, meeting notes, or simple text structures. Start by opening your Notion page. You can use any page in your workspace. The button will live right where you add it. Click on an empty line so your cursor is ready to insert a new block. This matters because Notion's slash commands appear when your cursor is on a clean line and you're about to add something new. Type slash, then the word button, and select button from the menu that pops up. If you don't see it right away, keep typing button to narrow the list. You'll see a small configuration window appear, which is where you'll set up what your button does. Click the button name field and rename it to something clear and action-oriented, like Add New Task. A good name tells you exactly what will happen when you click it, which is especially helpful if you create more than one button on the same page. Under Action, choose Insert Blocks. This option means that when you press the button, Notion will insert the blocks you define below it. It's the simplest and most flexible way to create reusable content. Next, click Add Blocks. Here's where the magic happens. Add the content you want duplicated each time: plain text, to-do checklists, bullet lists, headings, dividers, or callouts. You can mix and match as needed. For example, you might add a heading for Task, a to-do list with a few standard items, and a note section. You can even use @mentions for dates or people so they're easy to update after insertion. Keep your blocks clean and minimal so they're quick to fill in each time. When your template looks the way you want, click Done to save the button. You'll see your newly named button appear on the page, ready to use. From now on, click the button anytime to instantly create the template content right below it. Each click adds a fresh copy so you can create multiple entries without rebuilding the structure. And that's how to create a template button in Notion. Like, share, and subscribe for more.